Hello, today we will guide you through how to recover deleted Facebook campaigns or recover Facebook ads. In this walkthrough, we'll use Facebook's built-in tools to surface anything that was deleted and show you how to bring it back by recreating it. Keep in mind, Facebook doesn't truly undelete a campaign. Instead, you'll locate the deleted item and duplicate it to restore the setup. Start by opening Meta Business Suite and head straight into Ads Manager. Once Ads Manager loads, make sure you're viewing the campaigns level so your table is showing campaign rows. If you're on the wrong level, the filter we're about to apply won't return the results you expect. At the top of Ads Manager, click into the search bar. Type the word deleted. This triggers Ads Manager to suggest a status filter related to deletion. From the suggestions, choose Campaign Delivery is deleted. This narrows your view to campaigns that have been marked as deleted. If you see a filter chip appear, click it again to confirm its details and make sure the selection is exactly what you want. When the filter panel is visible, select Apply to lock in the filter. Your table now refreshes to show only campaigns with a deleted delivery status. If you don't see anything, it could simply mean there aren't any deleted campaigns in the current view. That's normal. Another possibility is that the deleted items fall outside your current reporting window, or that you're in a different ad account than the one that contained the campaign. As a tip, ensure you're in the correct account and that your time range covers the period when the campaign existed. When a deleted campaign appears, you can recover its setup by duplicating it. Select the deleted campaign, choose Duplicate, and Ads Manager will create a new draft with the same structure and most of the original settings. Review the objective, budget, schedule, placements, and audiences to confirm everything still makes sense for your goals, then publish when you're ready. This approach restores the configuration without needing to rebuild from scratch. If your focus is on ad sets or individual ads, you can apply the same search and filter approach while viewing the ad sets or ads tabs. The logic is identical. Use the search bar, select the deleted delivery filter, apply it, and then duplicate the item you want to recreate. That's it. You've learned how to find deleted items in Ads Manager and quickly recreate them by duplicating. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next campaign.